In this quick guide, I will show you how to change your caller ID on RingCentral, whether you are using the mobile app or the desktop version. First, open the RingCentral app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are in, tap the menu icon on your profile picture in the top left or top right corner, depending on your device. Now tap on Settings. Look for Phone Settings or Caller ID. Tap it to open the Caller ID options. Under the outbound caller ID section, you'll see a list of numbers you are allowed to use, like your direct number, company main number, or extensions. Tap to select the number you want people to see when you call or text. Once selected, save the changes if prompted. Your new caller ID will now appear when making calls or sending messages from RingCentral. If you are using the desktop or the web app, click your profile icon, Settings, go to Calls, Outbound Caller ID and choose the number from the drop-down. And that's how you change your RingCentral caller ID. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.